Hello everyone and welcome to 5 Gyms in a Trench Coat.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
What's that?
You want to know what 5 Gyms in a Trench Coat is? Let us tell you.
It's the adhesive that keeps the fragile pieces of my sanity together.
Well, okay, Jesse, what it actually is a narrative-driven TTRPG actual play where 5 friends take turns weaving stories through the tabletop game of their choice.
Of their choice?
Each season?
Each season.
That's pretty cool.
I disagree.
Oh.
I feel it's the adhesive.
So, like, you guys aren't all in a trench coat?
No, we're definitely in a trench coat.
How does that work?
Get her.
Before I'm caught, you can check out 5 Gyms in a Trench Coat just about anywhere you get your podcasts, or you can check out our website at 5gymsinatrenchcoat.com. Oh my god, they really are all in a trench coat.
Hey RPG fans! Do your tabletop sessions tend to fast forward through travel sequences to get back to the good stuff? As Game Master, you can transform those long journeys from boring connecting tissue into immersive times for excitement and character development your players will love. In this video, I'll share my best GM tips for making travel spellbinding, not skippable. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Vary the pace. Avoid scene after scene of endless monotonous hiking. Mix up the pace to keep it lively. Use montages to compress uneventful spans, then zoom in on key moments. Shift quickly into an encounter, then resume at the next story beat. This variability maintains energy and anticipation. Tip 2. Create vivid environments. The journey should reveal new wondrous locations, not just repeat generic wilderness. Give each region ecology and ambience unique from the last with fresh sights, sounds and smells. Mountain ridges, sunken swamps, sprawling savannas, etc. Transport players' imaginations. Tip 3. Culture clashes. Travel introduces cultures foreign from home. Play up exchanges with customs PCs find baffling or offensive and vice versa. What seems normal to locals outrages outsiders. How do they negotiate compromises? Differing values breed drama and humor. Tip 4. Unusual friends and rivals. A journey means fellow travelers. Introduce intriguing companions with goals that align, oppose, or shift over time. Are they guides, fugitives, pilgrims, migrants? Build rapport through dangers faced together. Or introduce friendly rivalries and competitions. Tip 5. Exploration events. Create scenic spots or mysterious sites off the main road to discover. Ruined castles, forgotten shrines, fossil beds, glittering caverns, and more. Ledgers, carvings, and artifacts offer cryptic clues about past events or cultures for PCs to piece together. Tip 6. Signs of trouble. Foreshadow threats on the horizon as the journey progresses. Maybe signs of raiding humanoids grow more frequent, or they hear legends of a beast that has made the mountains ahead impassable. Dread and anticipation simmer. Tip 7. Hardship and survival. Don't gloss over the rigors of wilderness treks. Food runs scarce, rains flood roads, mounts grow lame, etc. PCs must navigate real challenges of long-distance travel. Put survival skills to the test. Tip 8. Character moments. Journeys are perfect times for downtime roleplay between PCs. Have them swap stories of past adventures, draw closer through shared challenges, or unresolved tensions boil over via conflict. Tip 9. Random encounters. Not every encounter should be pre-planned. Generate some spontaneously using tables and generators to represent the randomness of travel. Just connect them to the region's ecology rather than feel totally disconnected. Conclusion. There are so many opportunities to make travel impactful rather than passive fast travel. Take advantage of the transitional space between adventures for rich world building, challenging survival gameplay, and relationship roleplay. By infusing overland journeys with creativity, you'll have players eager to see what's around the next bend of the road rather than fast forward past the miles. So enhance your next session's travels with these GM tips. And let me know your favorite journey moments in the comments. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the content, please like and comment, tell me what you thought. If you want to help me out, consider joining my Patreon using the link in the description. Patrons can enjoy my videos before they are released on YouTube. You can also download articles on TTRPG subjects that I have written, and I'll be posting chapters of my upcoming book, The Game Master's Guide to Crafting Legendary Worlds. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to make sure you never miss out.